gmail.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like, and subscribe my channel if you're not done yet. So today we are going to do C++ Boolean data type. So without any delay, let's get started. Damn! Okay, so I'll minimize my screen. Good afternoon. Here's our Google Chrome, and here is our wonderful W3 schools. C++ and Booleans. So without any delay, let's get started again. Damn! So C++ Booleans. Very often in programming, you will need a data type that can have only two values like yes, no, on, off, true, false. It's saying that you can have sometimes like when you're using like Boolean data types are used most in conditions, and they have only two values. They have a pair like yes or no, or on and off, or true or false. Let's think of one more. Yes, no, on, off, true, false, up, down. Yes. So for the C++ has a bool data type which can take the values true, 1 or false, 0. It's saying in the C++ there is a data type known as bool, and it has only two values. It would be true or false. If you get 1, that means true. If you get 0, that means false. Boolean values. So there is an example when we are using the Boolean Boolean data type. So let's see. A Boolean variable is declared with the bool keyword and can only take the values true or false. We have just read it. It's saying that obviously we always give the data type's name first. Bool is scoring fun, true. Bool is fish tasty, false. So say out is fish is scoring fun. sorry is scoring fun, so it would get true. Is fish tasty, it would get false. So basically it would get 1 and 0 for coding is fun, true, and fish tasty, 0, false. Okay, from the example above you can read that a true value returns 1 and a false value returns 0. Okay, we just saw. See. However, it is more common to return Boolean values from Boolean expression. It's saying that it is more common, it's more better if you use the Boolean expression, which we're just gonna do. Okay, this is a big chapter. I'm sorry, I just need to get my water. Just give me 1 minute, guys. Yes, sorry guys. Okay, Boolean expression. A Boolean expression is a C++ expression that returns value 1 true or 0 false. You can use comparison operator such as greater than operator to find out if an expression or a variable is true. It's saying we use more expressions now. How and it would get rather 1 or 0. We know 1 means true and 0 means false. It's then saying we can use the greater than. This is the greater than operator to see if if to check which variable's value is bigger. Now x is greater than y. So let's see. 10 is greater than 9. Yes. So it's true because 10 is greater than 9. So it would get 1. It's saying we could do the either way also. You could simply without writing any of the variables, you could just do a simple line. See out 10 is greater than 9. So so basically we have just shortened the code and made it better. Yeah, I would prefer this much because that is just wastage of line. Because in the example below we use the equal to sign to evaluate the expression. Okay, so there's an equals to operator. So 1 equals to can 1 equals to be also used to assign that this variable's value is this value. Okay, so we use double equal to sign to check if two numbers are equal or not. So let's see. Int x is equals to 10. Okay, so we have made a variable x and it has the value 10. Then we are doing cout x is equals to 10. So 10 is equals to 10. It is equal. So it would get 1 because 10 is equals to 1. Now if you can just do it straightforward. See how 10 is equals to 15. Now 10 is not equals to 15. No, so it is getting false. But if we had gave here 10 is equals to 10, so it would be the same code, just one line less and much more better. Booleans are the basis for all C++ comparisons and conditions. You will learn more about conditions if else in the next chapter. So it's time for some C++ exercises. Oh, there are only 2. Okay, so let's see. Fill in the missing part to print the value 1 for true and 0 for false. Okay, so we know that first, whenever you're making a variable, first you have to give the data type. So true and false. So true and false are the values of the Boolean data type. So we'll just write here quickly bool. Then it's saying get is the value of is coding fun and is fish tasty. So if we want to get the values of these variables, we can just simply write the name of the variable is fish taste. Do you agree with whatever has written? Yeah, coding is quite fun. Yeah, we become so geeky and we know more about all about our what you say computers technology, and probably teachers always take us in the competitions and you can just do a bit of show off. You can take that advantage also, but you should not, like I don't. Let's be good bunnies. Okay, so do you agree? Is coding fun? Yeah, coding is fun, so it would get true and is fish tasty. False, it is not tasty. So false, no. So this exercise is correct. Let's move on to the second exercise. Fill in the missing parts to print the value true for true. So it's saying give us a statement which would get the value true. So here we are making x is equals to 10 and y is equals to 9. Okay, so we can do like two ways, but it would take only one way. We can do like y less than x, but this would get an error because it when you're doing a try it, guys, then it has settled that this should be the value. So if it is correct but in another way now, then also it would get an error. So if this way didn't work, so we know then it is the way x is greater than what do you go y, right? Do you agree, or we should write 9 rather than 10? Good job. We will do with variables name. Oh my god, we have already done. We just started and we have already done. Oh my god, we did it so quick. Did you have fun? I did a lot. And so guys, I really hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button and I will see you all next time. Goodbye. Down. 3, 2, 1 and snap.